I've got the tights, you know, the ones that are like, they're really thick but they look like you're wearing thin tights. Oh my goodness, they do look slightly grey, but I think they look fine as a whole outfit. Like, you'd never know I'm wearing leggings unless I told you, I don't think. But they're so blooming comfortable and you literally can't tell that they're not just a pair of tights. So I'll leave them linked, but they're from Amazon and they are honestly the comfiest thing ever. So I recommend. But Tash and I are off out on a little shoot day today, so I just need to give my hair a little brush through. She's turning up any minute and then we're gonna head out and get our bits done. Pray for me trying to carry this down to the car because it's so big. So much stuff in the back of this car. And this is what I'm wearing. I've got this cute little jacket on. I'll leave it linked. It's like a Totem dupe. I'll be honest, probably not anywhere near the quality of the Totem one, but I think it looks cute either way. So yes, very nice. And we are on outfit 2. We've got our coffees already. The girl recognised us, so we're doing well. And we're just trying to crack on and get as much as we possibly can done. So we're gonna try and do 8 outfits today. Backing up for winter so we're not shooting in the freezing cold. Wish us luck. Guys, it's so windy. Oh my goodness. Actually, this is mad. I'm flying. I'm not sure how I feel about this. Oh dear. Someone, naming no names, has run out of phone storage about 4 times in the last 10 minutes. So we're having to sit in the car while it's hella windy and just sort out her phone storage.
It's my stupid iCloud. I pay £8 a month for 2 terabyte. Shouldn't be running out of storage. But it is. If this is Apple's way telling me that I need a new phone, it's telling me that I need a new phone and I'm gonna listen to it. But I also don't really want to buy the new iPhone.
No, the new iPhone's rubbish apparently. No one I know who has the new iPhone, if you have it and you have no issues, you're a rare breed.
Please tell me, because I would like to know. All I've heard is negative stuff.
I only know people who have it that have negative thoughts about it.
But then also, when everyone gets a new iPhone, when it comes out, everyone has problems until a couple months later, so I might be okay.
I would wait till like just before Christmas.
Mine just runs out at the end of December, so...
Oh yeah, you're fine.
Christmas present to myself.
Got my Kinder Bueno latte. Oat milk hazelnut syrup, same as last week. We're trying to decide what to do. Oh, this battery's dying too. We're just gonna have to grin and bear that my camera's probably gonna die and we'll have to phone clip it. But yeah, we're trying to decide what to do. Tash got her lemon drizzle. I haven't yet had lemon drizzle. I had a croissant because I was just needing some like breakfast something. We're 3 outfits in. We're about to do our 4th, so we're halfway. And we're halfway in... What time did we take the first picture? Let me have a look.
I'll let you know, but I'm currently deleting stuff.
I'll tell you, because you took the picture of me. No, sorry, I took the picture of the wall.
Yeah.
So our very first picture was at 11:21 and it's now 12:07. So we've done that in like an hour. It's getting serious. Guys, it's Tuesday and this morning I got an email saying that we could get some ERA tour tickets. I've got a code. I have a code. I'm very excited about the code. So we're having a work day at my house with the intention of getting Taylor tickets. So pray for us because we haven't yet got tickets, but we got the email saying that we could apply for the new dates, which is the 19th and 20th of August. So apparently you can try for the 19th today, tomorrow you can try for the 20th. So we're gonna try for both and pray for us. Literally pray for us. I'm gunning for standing. And we've decided we want either side, don't we, not the end?
Yeah.
Either side standing. The alarm just went off and we have about 9 minutes until we can try and get tickets. So pray for us. I'm gonna put Taylor back on. We were in the room first. We literally were like the first round of people in the room and we went to the point and it literally said proceed to buy and then it suddenly decided we couldn't buy and now we're 8,000 in the queue. So pray for us. We get a celebration at McDonald's.
Only if you can wait till I come back.
We got all the way through to paying. We paid. It was pending, and then it said, sorry, we've had an error. It's not you, it's us. We don't have the fucking tickets. So we're back in the waiting room. We were trying to get front standing, both sides. Then we tried seated, and it came up with only like the nosebleeds. And then we thought, let's try a package. So we got through to a package, and yeah, we've been in the queue 3 times now.
Third time.
It's annoying because every time you then get pushed back in the end of the queue.
No, exactly.
But that time wasn't even our fault.
Damn you, Ticketmaster. Damn you!
I think it's time.
That was a little severely underwhelming. Shall I call it Tay-Tay?
Tay-Tay tickets.
Tay-Tay ticks.
Yeah.
Tay-Tay ticks.
Yay! How cute are these?
Yeah, writing it on the cork.
Can we believe me and the girls got the ERAS tickets? I told you guys many times that I knew I would get them. I literally kept saying to anyone who was like, you don't have tickets, why are you saying you're going? And I was like, because I am. I did get them. I manifested those tickets. We worked hard. We got in the queue early, actually, by accident. I had the page open and we managed to get in early. But it was honestly, I'm so grateful and I'm so glad that we're going, and I can't believe it. But if you're wondering how I got them, because a lot of people were asking me and I didn't realise it wasn't like as widely known about, but they released 2 more London dates for the ERAS tour. So there's the 19th and the 20th of August. The 2 extra dates are, like, you could only book them by invite. So all of us had pre-sale codes that we applied for back in whenever it was. However, I was the only one that got this specific email saying you're off the wait list, you can apply for the tickets on these dates, blah blah, and I could only apply for tickets for those 2 dates. So as soon as it came through, I was like, well, obviously we're going to be applying straight away. So the girls came over, we had a work day and we got the tickets, but you could only apply for the tickets if you had the code that was given to you from the pre-sale. But I will say, the one thing that I am super wary of myself, and I keep telling everyone else to be wary of too, is people trying to sell tickets, specifically if they message you through TikTok, through Instagram, etc. 99% of them are scamming you. A lot of the tickets that, okay, so basically you could only buy tickets through Ticketmaster, right? That was the only way that you could buy tickets initially. Literally the only place that you can get them directly. So people bought these tickets in bulk wanting to sell them on. You can't sell on the tickets and transfer the tickets until a week before that specific show. So if your show's on the 4th of January, then obviously it'll be a week before the 4th of January that you can then get your tickets. So I would just be super wary if you're buying from someone, because they cannot transfer those tickets to you until like a week before. And also if you're buying from secondhand websites, I'm pretty sure it's people who have bought on Ticketmaster and then are trying to resell on a different website, because I'm 95% sure, I don't know for fact, but I think you couldn't buy them anywhere else, especially for the UK. So just be a bit wary there. But I thought I would just show you this little box that's just turned up this second in the door from MAJE, M-A-J-E. I think it's MAJE, I'm not sure. Anyway, they kindly sent me over a couple of bits, so I thought I'd show you what I've got. This is the first thing, which is a cute little sparkly bag. Great for ERAS tour, but also great for party season. That's Tash, hold on. So I thought that was really cute. It's got like a little shoulder strap and stuff as well, which is adorable. Then I've got, what else did I get? Oh yeah, I forgot about this. So I got this coat, which I thought was adorable. It's like a little jacket like so. I actually might wear this like this, to be honest. This looks really cute. And it just ties up and it looks quite, yeah, it looks quite chic. I really like it. I'm actually, I think, gonna wear this like this. I was gonna put a leather jacket, but it's quite cute like this. And then the final thing I got is this cute little skirt, which again I thought great for party season. It's just got little sparkly details on. This would be quite a cute Christmas Day skirt if you put it with like a big jumper or something. Or, you know, if you're going out for dinner but you want to look festive but not as over the top, like that would be quite a good little skirt. So I'll leave these linked if I can. I'm not 100% sure if they're dropped on the website, but I'll try. This especially I am obsessed with. I love it so much. Oh, right, let me go answer the door. She's here. Salam! I've decided to start mixing up my lipsticks. If you watched I did a beauty declutter video, so if you haven't seen the series already, I'll leave it linked in the description, but I did my wardrobes, I've done my bags and stuff. There's a bathroom one coming soon, and I sorted out all of my lipsticks and lip glosses, and I basically, this is hitting me in the head, I basically got a little tub, and I put all of the ones where I really liked the colour on me, kept them, and then anything I didn't really like the colours of, I have donated to friends, etc. So this is one that I forgot I owned, and it's the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk, but this is the, I actually don't know the name of it, I'll find it, but it's like a lip gloss one, and I've been loving this at the moment. It's such a nice colour. I'm not normally a Pillow Talk girl, I'm like a Penelope Pink girl, which if you haven't tried Penelope Pink, I recommend giving it a go because it's so beautiful. But this one's really nice and I really like the colour of it. I'll leave it linked if you are looking for a new lipstick, but it's so nice on and the consistency is really good too. Oh my god, Tash, it's so cold, shut the door. Guys. I'm in. Wind swept. If you could see how, I'm going to try and get it so you can see both of us. If you could see how windy it is outside, oh my goodness, it's like torrential. Torrential? It's like, what's the word? No, torrential. Torrential's rain. What's the word?
I was gonna say monsoon, but that's not that's rain as well.
It's like gusty, shall we say? It's a gusty day. It's very, very windy, but when you're in the car it's toasty, when you're in the sun it's toasty, when you're out the wind it's toasty. The car is parked in the windiest spot possible and it's very, very chilly, but we both layered up so that we didn't have to like fully strip today, which is quite nice. So we can just like pull off a top and like if I pull this off, I've actually got a t-shirt underneath, which is really handy. So I don't really have to do much changing today, which I'm kind of here for. Actually, is my next outfit with this on? I'm fine, but it wasn't true.
I don't want to keep secrets just to keep you and I
was trying to think of a different song to start singing, but I can't stop singing that. Cause baby, now we got
bad blood.
Ooh.
I'm 22.
No. Ooh.
What?
Ooh.
I need more than ooh.
Ooh. Look.
Oh, what you made me do.
Now do you get it? The, ooh.
Yeah.
Look what you made me do.
Look what you made me do.
I need to do my nails tonight. I've decided they look a bit rank, so I'm like kind of losing, I don't know if you can see this, I'm kind of losing my nails, like they're just lifting up and stuff where they've been on for like 3 weeks. So I decided I'm going to do them tonight, but I can't decide between doing like a French with chrome over the top or doing like a sparkly tip French, so like white but with like loads of glitter, because I bought these pens that are like for doing tips and stuff. I can't decide what I want to do, but I think I want to do a white French this time. I love doing the red, but I think I want a white French instead this time. I don't trust
any. Oh fuck, hold on.
Any. I don't trust any. I don't trust
nobody, and nobody trusts me.
I'll be the actress starring in your bad dreams. Hello guys, happy Thursday. Today I am obviously in a different environment than usual, so I thought I would explain quickly before we get into the day. So today I'm actually at an overnight stay at Hallwood House Hotel with their Nibs, which is a pyjama brand that is gorgeous. Really nice satin or cotton pyjamas. You know the classic style I always wear, like classic PJ style. I'll show you the pyjamas in a little bit because we're going to pick them up in a minute, but we're about to head down to go for an afternoon tea, so I thought I'd show you the room quickly and then we'll get into the afternoon tea, etc., because it's about to be dark. It's not as dark as it looks in there, but it's about to get dark, so I'll give you a quick room tour, then we'll go for afternoon tea, then I've got to come back, change quickly, and we're off to the spa for a bit. Okay, so this is my room. So we've got the executive suite. So this is what it looks like in here. We've got TV, little sofa, little desk area, and then in here is the bathroom, which is gorgeous. Nice, big, bright bathroom, love that. And then when you come around here, we've got the lovely view, which is just of lots of fields and the rest of the hotel. And then this is the bedroom here. Gorgeous colour bed, actually. Love that. So nice little bedroom. And then, yeah, this is what it looks like. I need to run out the door. Because otherwise I'm going to be late for the afternoon tea. So I'm going to get going, but I'll catch up with you in a little bit. We've arrived.
Oh, it feels so good to take you off the pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion.
Well, this went down nicely. Ready for the spa. I've just got my little black Hunza G swimsuit on, which comes everywhere with me. Best investment ever. I flipping love this. I honestly wear it all the time. It's my most packed swimwear ever. And then I've just got the robe over the top, and we're gonna go to the spa. Not Lauren having to take all her excessive jewellery off. It's my dinner outfit. So I've just gone for the cropped little waistcoat. This is an ASOS design one in a size 8. I'll leave it linked. It's just like their classic one. I've got this in black as well and I love it. Skirt is actually from Vinted and it's just a really nice classic plain black skirt. I got this for £5. Highly recommend checking Vinted for satin skirts because they have so many. And then these are my little pointed boots that I always wear from Mint Velvet. But yeah, very cute little simple outfit. I've got the world's most stonking headache, so I don't know if I'm going to last through dinner, but I've just popped some pills and I'm going to try and just drink loads of water and hopefully I'll be fine.
Almost overwhelming.
I've got a nice little cheesy garlic concoction. They bought out all of this food for everyone else and the chef felt bad for me, so I've got my own. The chef didn't need to feel bad, I'm so full. But now I feel, where's my wine? Now I feel like I need to try it. It's right here. Lauren's gone for a whole steak. She's got a whole steak going on. We've got Clemmy over here with her lamb. Yum. And I've gone for some miso cod with some side of carrots, and then I'm totally lying about the fact that we didn't have chips. We have lots of chips too. Good morning, gang. I'm in a little chilled outfit with my sweatpants on today because I planned on going straight home. However, we've now decided we're going to go to Bicester, so that's going to be a separate vlog coming soon. Lauren and I just feel like a browse, and it also might be quite handy to get some Christmas presents and stuff for people. So we have come out really nice and early around the gardens of the manor house, with a coffee of course, always, and we're just going to get some quick pictures and stuff and then head off to Bicester. But look how stunning it looks. This is the side, it's massive. So the manor house that we were shooting in last night is in that building, and then the rooms that we were staying in are in like the newer part of that. So they were really beautiful. We stayed in the executive suites, and the one that we shot in was called the Manor Suite. So if you ever book here, Manor Suite is the more beautiful rooms. The executives are still gorgeous, but the Manor Suite was like the most stunning room. I really recommend actually. The food was really good, everything's been really nice here, spa's lovely. Definitely recommend it for a little stay, and it's not too far out of London either if you're coming that way, but I highly recommend. And it's only 30 minutes from Bicester. Win-win.